I can tell that we gon' hit it off. Yeah, you laugh, but it's light work. Booty is the truth, girl, you got some nice perks. Your body language got me out here trying to function. I ain't send a deal and leave it with no one but you. Girl, you got a chance, then give me your name. I don't like talking to randoms. We can turn up.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jade. Like I said, welcome back. If this is your first time seeing my face and coming to this channel, then it's not welcome. It's not welcome back. It's welcome. So we're gonna dive right into this video. I really hope it ain't gonna be too long. I really do hope that it's gonna be quick and quick. I hope. So let's dive right into this video. TikTok influencer made me purchase. I'm not saying TikTok made me buy it no more. A TikTok influencer made me buy this good old wig right here. It's from Jessies wig. If you couldn't see that, Jessies wig. What you get in the bag, this good old box is the wig. This is a nice little ombre. I'll show y'all in a little bit. What else comes in the box? You got a brush, a warranty card, a melting band that's got their name on it, and then another wig cap. Go ahead and put that off to the side so we can dive right on into this good old wig here. I purchased, this is their 5x6, 108 density. The color is TP 1B and 27, and this is their 16 inch. I don't remember if it's pre-plucked, pre-bleached. I don't remember none of that. But we about to find out, okay? Let's see what I gotta do to this good old girl. Get off me, please. Get off. Get off. Thank you. Upon first inspection, it does not look pre-bleached, but the knots are really small. My sister asked me not too long ago what we meant by the knots and what is the purpose of bleaching. So I don't remember if I talked about this in another video, but the knots is basically when the wig maker is making the wig. The knots, the black knots that you see, that's where they have taken 1 or 2 strands of hair, depending on how big the knots are. I would say this is one to 2 strands of hair in these, in the lace here. If it'll focus. Yeah. So it's 1 to 2, sometimes 3 strands of hair hand tied into the lace itself. Now, the more strands of hair that the wig maker uses, then the bigger and more noticeable the knots are. Looking at it, this looks to be a single strand of hair, and the knot that you see is actually the hair being tied, the single strand or 2 to 3 strands of hair being tied into the lace to make it more realistic. Now, the purpose of bleaching the knots that is to make the lace and the scalp, not the scalp, the lace look more skin-like. Of course, everybody, depending on your skin complexion, everybody's scalp is a different shade. So my scalp is, can you see that? It's a little whiter. So this may or may not need some foundation. I'll just have to, we just gonna have to see. So it is pre-cut. Like I said, it's a 5x6. That means it is okay, it was bleached a little bit. 5x6 means that it's 5 inches across, 6 inches back. And as you can see, this is 5 inches across. It's not fully, 6 inches back because of this little U shape here, but I could get away with a side part. And like I said, it is pre-cut. with the zigzags. And the reason they do the zigzags is to make it more realistic when you put it on your head as well, because as you know, not everyone's hairline is the same, but everybody's hairline does not go straight across. There are literal zigzags, not literal, but you know what I mean. So it has an adjustable strap, so this will potentially be glueless. It has 2 combs on the side and then a comb in the back as well. It has a little bit of a smell, but it's not like a super strong smell. It just smells like a wig. So like I said, it is 16 inches. It will have to, we're gonna have to do some stuff to it in order to make this wearable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this, take care of my own hair, and come back and get to customizing with y'all. All right. Okay, I'm back. This is the final look. Pros and cons. Let me start there. Pros and cons. It is semi-beginner friendly. The knots are really small. So there's not too much that you have to do with it. It blends really nicely with your skin, as long as you have the right shade, concealer, foundation, whatever you put in your parting space, as long as it matches your skin complexion, or I like to use the cream foundation that matches my scalp, not my foundation. My foundation. I like the color. It didn't have a strong smell. It doesn't even have the smell now, and I don't know if that's because it's been aired out, because I blow dried it, or not blow dried, straightened it or anything. It is true 16 inches, like I said. This is where it comes in the back. It is a really nice length. I love the way that it's just highlighted the way that it is. I used to have like a blonde skunk stripe. I used to have like a blonde skunk stripe, so I am missing my blonde just a little bit. So this is a nice take me back to the blonde. It's a nice blend. Cons. You're gonna have to do some plucking, just a little bit. There's too much. Friend, you're just gonna have to do a little bit of plucking, not too much. It's not pre-plucked. It was pre-cut, but it's not pre-plucked. To make it look a little bit more realistic for us girlies who have edges that, you know, touch our eyebrows. These are all my edges, so you're gonna have to leave your edges out. I tried to makeshift some edges here, but I forgot my tweezers, so that's that. And it blends really nicely. That Even Lace Tint Spray and that olive ORS wig grip spray, get rid of your got to be. For us girlies who like to take our wigs off at night, that ORS wig grip spray is going to be your best friend. I promise you. It's not going to take your skin out when you go to taking this thing off at night. And then that Even Lace Tint Spray, it makes the lace blend so seamlessly. I need to put a little bit more here, or even cut that part off. Doesn't matter. You can only see it when you're really close up. I'm gonna fix it because I know it's there, but you don't have to. If somebody is really in your face like that, then yeah, fix it, sis. They're gonna see it. What else? I did cut a little bit off, just because the ends were a little scraggly and I didn't like it. But other than that, I really do like this unit. It's silk press. It's a real silk press, not like what I had it earlier in my video. It's straightened really nicely. You will have to, you know, bump the little crimps out of it from shipping, and that's not a big deal. It's straightened really nicely. I didn't want to put any curls in it. I just wanted, you know, something simple and straight. Something simple and straight. I bumped this just a little bit to see if it would stay. It didn't, but that's okay. It stayed enough, and I'm happy with that. So that is the final look, you guys. Like I said, Jessie's wig, everything. I did buy this off TikTok Shop. If I can find the deets on TikTok Shop, I will of course drop it in the description box below, or go onto their website. I will drop the link down there below. And I thank you so much for watching and hanging out with your girl as always, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know what y'all think. You know, drop me a note, hit like, subscribe. All right, and don't forget that red box, because you can click it, no ticket. I'm Jade. Talk to y'all later. Bye. All right. And don't forget that red box, you can click it, no ticket.